Hello there. And today we are relaunching Dopp Kits. Okay, so it usually takes us a while, maybe a month, maybe 2 months before we say we're going to do something and we actually release the product. But we've made these kind of things before, these Dopp Kits. It just so happened that in the last 9-10 months, we did not have the right thickness of leather, nor the suede that we wanted. We do have it in small quantities now. So we'll be able to make a total of maybe 15, 20 at most. This, we have only 3, okay? Enough leather to make 3. This one, more. Okay, so let's look at it. It's roughly 8 by maybe 4.5 by 4.5 inches. It's a little shorter than the previous Dopp Kit. The previous Dopp Kit was too long, and it can hold a bunch of stuff. Comes with number 8 YKK zippers, and the inside is lined with a really nice suede. You see it? I'll show it to you later. Okay. All right. So we have a logo on one side, and on the other side, you can get your name stamping done. Name stamping, initials, whatever that's, whatever you want. Yep. Let's get into it. So these are all made out of vegetable tanned buffalo calf hide, somewhere between 1.2 and 1.6 mil thick, and then lined with suede. So it makes a nice and gives the Dopp Kit its body, the structure, and it's supple at the same time. So makes for really nice folds. It will last a really, really long time. Yep. So let's see what all it can fit. Okay, so shaving kit, shaving soap, beard balm, toothpaste, shaving brush, shower gel, pen knife, trimmer, toothbrush, comb, and sunglasses case. Super formal, collar stays. Oh, that's heavy. Okay, fits a lot, and we have limited quantities. So get on it now.